A poor man who had nothing except hunger stood outside a village restaurant. He had no money, but oh, the smell of that food. So he just stood there, enjoying the aroma. But then the cook stormed out. "Hey, you're stealing the smell of my food. Pay me." The poor man was shocked. "I didn't eat anything. I didn't touch anything. I just smelled it." "Smelled it, ate it, same thing," shouted the cook. A crowd began to gather. Then the cook dragged him to Nasreddin Hodja, the village's wise and witty judge. Hodja listened, then smiled. "Do you have any coins?" he asked. The man gave him 2 copper coins. Hodja shook them in his hand. Clink, clink. "There," he said to the cook. "You've been paid with the sound of money, for the smell of food. Now that's justice."